Hey guys, today I have two mystery bags to unbox from Glam Reader. These ones are Peaches and Cream mystery boxes, which I'm really excited about. I only have a few products from Peaches and Cream. I don't even know if I've got a few or if I've just got one or two. But what I've got so far I've really liked, so I'm really excited to open these. So yeah, let's get into it. So they come in these super cute little mailers from Glam Reader. And yeah, like I said, I've got two, so I'll open the first one. These cost me $34 and they're valued at $68, so you're meant to get double your money in here. So first thing we have is these pairs of individual lashes, which are cute. I do not use individual lashes. I do not have the time for that, but I really actually, individual lashes come in handy to me around Halloween time and stuff because I use them for little Halloween looks, and normally I just chop up a pair of lashes, but yeah, those are the only times you'll catch me using individual lashes. Next we have this banana boat thing. I don't know what it is, but the packaging is super cute. So it's just this little box and it's got little like people swimming, and then up the top it says banana boat. And yeah, it doesn't actually say what it is, so let's have a look. Oh, cute. It's called Peaches and Cream because obviously like their name is Peaches and Cream. The little packaging in there is actually adorable. I don't know if it's not going to focus, but okay, it looks like we have a pigment of some sort. Yes, we do. So this is a loose eyeshadow in this really pretty yellow colour, and it's in the shade, yeah, Banana Boat. Honestly reminds me of Banana Nesquik. I don't think they make it anymore, but Banana Nesquik was my absolute favourite. I feel like that's actually really, really cute. Okay, next we have a lip gloss in the shade After Party. It's just this really dark brownie lip gloss. That's actually really pretty. Let me give that a swatch on my hand. Oh wow, that's really, really nice. Super pigmented and just a really rich, dark, like yummy kind of brown. I really like that. I think that's really nice. Oh, it kind of smells nice. I don't know what it smells like, but kind of has a nice smell to it. Okay, we also have a brush in here. This is the PC16 brush, and that actually looks really nice. This is the type of brush that I'd use for like loose powder or something like that, or like, yeah, some kind of blending. But that feels super nice. Wow, that's really, really soft. I don't want to wipe it on my face because I've got like fresh makeup on there, but then the last thing we have in this one is a lip liner in the shade Rosebud, which I'm really excited about this because one of the products that I do have from them that I really like is also a lip liner, and it's in the shade Borderline, I'm pretty sure, and this one looks super, super pretty. So yeah. Okay, so just quickly I'm going to add up how much that was worth because I feel like, what do we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in there, and I feel like it was a nice variety of everything, so I'm quite happy with that. So let's just have a quick look and see how much that first one was worth. Okay, so the Banana Boat loose pigment was $16. The brush it's called a P16 tapered face brush. That was also $16. The individual lashes were $10. We had the lip liner, which is $10. And we had the gloss in After Party, which actually doesn't look like it's on the website anymore, so I don't know if it's sold out since then, but it looks like their lip glosses are about $16. So we got $68 value exactly once again. So yeah, I'm really happy with that first box. That was really cool. All right, let's open the second one. Well, they're more like bags to be honest, but let's just hope this one has some different products in it. It did say that I might possibly get the same products, which is fine, but I'm hoping we got some different ones. Oh no! Okay, most of the things, we got another one of the Banana Boat loose pigments, so yeah, I've got 2 of those now, but anyway, that's fine. Like it said, some of the products might be the same, so we got another one of those. We got some lashes in the style, I think they're just called number 31, so they look like that. They're quite pretty actually. We got another face brush. It's just once again the PC16, sorry. And then we got a lip blush. So this is different formula, I'm guessing, from the lip gloss, and this one is in the shade Poppy. Looks like that. And then the last thing that we got was another one of the Rosebud lip liners. So I'm guessing prices are going to add up to pretty much the exact same, $68. So yeah, those were the mystery bundles from Peaches Cream, and honestly I was really quite happy with these. I feel like we got such a good variety of products. Like, we got the pigment, some brushes, lip liners, lip glosses, and also the lashes. So yeah, I was really pleasantly surprised with these. And yeah, you get double what you pay. Like, so yeah, pay $34, get $68 value, which I think is pretty good. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.